1 minute coaching for production leaders, part 6 of my 7-point series on coaching for reliability leaders. This one's for production leaders. The production leader must own the reliability of the asset. Very key, folks. Production leaders, they decide how to run the assets, inside or outside of design. They decide what maintenance to do. They decide what equipment improvements to make, and they decide on what the resources in the organization work on. How can anyone else be responsible for reliability? Maintenance leaders, they're responsible for efficiently executing work, the precision of the work that's executed, and coaching the asset owner on what work to do. But they are advisors. The production leaders are the deciders in this equation. My top 2 things to create a reliability culture, there's a lot of things that go into it, but first is creating a go and see culture. Number 2, have your production leaders own reliability. Okay, tools and practices are worthless without this change, so make it this year in 2020.